Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to make an image into a link in your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. Here I can go ahead and see all the websites that I have created, and here I even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website right here that I have made called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up the website right here by clicking on it. This will now open up the website in the page. And now we are in designer mode and we can get started with editing the website. So if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see that you have options to go ahead and add new elements to your website. With the add elements option, you have your components option, site settings, and so on. And if you look at the right side of the screen, you can see that you have the option to go ahead and edit and style those elements that you add to your website. You have the style option, you have the element settings, and so on. So the first thing you have to do is go ahead and add a picture to the website. So I have done that already right here. I have added a picture of a banana. I'm going to move it right here at the left side of the screen. And now guys, after we have added the picture of the banana, now let's go ahead and add a link that we will add to this picture. So we're going to do that right here in the upper right corner, click on the plus button, and now select the link block which is under the basic option right here. Go ahead and select the link block, and now we have successfully added a link block. So what we can do is open the settings and select the URL where we want it to lead. You can enter a URL here, or you can select the page that you want to link it to. So let's say you have entered the URL right here. Now we want to move this link block behind the image. So we're going to do that by looking right here at the upper right side of the screen, and under style find the position option. In position, select relative, and now we can go ahead and move the link block where we want it. Just move it around with your mouse until we put it behind the image. So now it is behind the image, and when somebody on the website goes ahead and clicks on the image, they will select the link block which will appear instead and will take them to the URL. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.